speaker in my trunk and played knocking sounds.
How's it going?
Good, how about yourself?
Pretty good. What?
Do you hear that?
No?
Is there something in your trunk?
Oh, no.
Well, there's something coming out of there.
It's nothing.
Yeah, okay. You wanna explain that?
It was
Pull over!
the car, bro. The car's just messed up. Like when I go fast, it walk.
That doesn't make any sense.
Yes, it does.
That literally makes no sense.
It's fine.
Pull over.
No, just leave it. It's
No,
fine.
pull over.
It's fine. It's fine.
Bro, there's literally something in your trunk.
It's nothing.
Bro,
It's nothing.
You cannot tell me
Just
there's something
drop
in your
it.
trunk.
There's nothing in
Bro, pull over.
No.
Pull over.
There's nothing in there.
Are you kidding me? I literally hear it.
All right, fine.
Pull
fine.
over.
Fine.
Stress.